In the halls beneath the Auralis stone, I've built a dream while walking alone. My breath runs shallow, my body thin, but I won't let the silence win.
You think I vanished, left you behind, but I was playing for borrowed time. I made a deal, I paid the price to buy us both another life.
We were daughters of the storm, gold in hand, our future warm. Now the silver's grown so cold, and shadows live inside the gold. You call it treason, I call it cost, but either way it's what we lost.
In the dark, smooth as glass, you smiled while letting the moment pass. I bled for gold, I watched it go into your hands, you made it so.
You think I'm cruel, a queen of frost, but I know what survival costs. You call it theft, but I call it grace, the only way to hold this place.
We were daughters of the storm, gold in hand, our future warm. Now the silver's grown so cold, and shadows live inside the gold. You call it ruined, I call it planned, still we build with what we can. I brought it back brick by brick. You still don't see it wasn't yours to pick.
Gavyia. I did it for us, for something more. You did it for power, not for the war.
We were daughters of the storm,
We were fire, we were sworn.
now the light's a coin we fold, and trust is heavier than gold. We still dream, but not the same.